Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Charting Trends for Tesla. I'm TJ and we got a great video for you today, but before we get into that, make sure that you like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video, and please let me know what you guys think about this video in the comments section. I read all the comments, so let me have it. If you like my analysis, please check out my main channel, Charting Trends for Trading Options, where I look at a different stock every single day, and if you want to follow me on social media, those links are in the description below. Alright, let's get into the video. We're on a 10-day, 10-minute chart, and we kind of popped and dropped today. We came up, tested the downtrend here briefly, and ended up selling off for pretty much the whole day. That was right at the open. Slow and steady sell-off back to this pre-market low around 558. We fell about 35 points today. And honestly, I think this is pretty healthy. This is kind of, what I talked about last week, and I think this is what we can expect to see for a little while. Consolidation into this level around 537, and I think it's pretty healthy, honestly. Let's take a look at the SPY and the NASDAQ just briefly. Similar action. SPY was fairly strong in the morning after dipping pre-market, and then just came out really strong at the open, honestly, straight up 7 or 8 points, chopping around here for a while and then selling off into the closing right around where we open, down 0.5%. So and I think this is better than, let's say, we had seen the opposite, an opening sell-off, testing this support and then recovering in the afternoon. I think it shows that the market wants to go higher, but I think it's healthier that we're not just jumping up one day and then selling off tomorrow. We're trying to go higher. We're staying in the same place for now, but that's fine. I would much rather see a little bit of sideways action than continuing to ride this downtrend lower, and that's really the key I'm getting at here, is we're getting away from this downtrend. We're hanging around this 380 level. That's okay for right now. QQQ, not as good. Still kind of following the downtrend here. After a pre-market pop, we pretty much sold off all day. A little bit more similar to Tesla's chart, except they kind of held off at the pre-market low, and the NASDAQ ETF has continued to sell off. It actually closed down almost 3% today, so a pretty big drop, but not as low as the low on Friday. So higher lows, higher highs. That's good. That's good. So maybe a little bit earlier in the cycle here, but again, it's trying to start moving sideways as opposed to down, and trying to get away from this downtrend. So that's okay for now. But as far as Tesla, I think we can definitely expect to see extended consolidation into these levels for the time being. And like I said, that's fine. We'll see sideways action until we break the downtrend, and then at some point, after enough consolidation around these levels, develop some real support and volume and basing around these levels, we'll start to turn back up. But if the SPY and the NASDAQ want to start pushing up, we'll probably see a bounce sooner rather than later. And honestly, I think in the long term, we're going to see that come back down again. So what I'd rather see is a little bit of sideways action from now. Create a base, create some support, let people have a little bit of security. At least they can feel like this sell-off is over, because I think that's really the main fear right now, is there's still a little bit of uncertainty in the air. Is the market going to continue to sell off? I don't think it will, and I think it'll just take a week or two for everyone else to come around and see that we're sort of at a safer level where we can go back up, and Tesla's in the middle of that boat right now. This price, this valuation, I think is much more comfortable for a lot of investors, but they just want to see that the market, the climate is cooperating as well. So we're fine today. I don't think we will see below these levels unless something drastic happens, which I don't think it will. So just strap in for a little bit of sideways action, and we'll see what happens through the rest of the week. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, Please leave a like, it really helps out the channel, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments section as well. I read all the comments, so I appreciate any feedback. And if you like my analysis, please check out my main channel where I look at a different stock every single day. And if you guys want to follow me on social media, those links are below in the description. Thanks, and have a great night.